about division. We studied division before, so today we will revise division but using the number line. Okay, so today we will revise division using the number line, and we will find out what is the remainder of division. What is the remainder of a division? Okay, so let's start by this example. I have 12 happy faces here, and I want to share these happy faces equally between these three baskets. So if I want to share these happy faces equally, when I put a happy face in a basket, I should put one in the other baskets. Okay, so let's complete one here and one here and one here. Okay, so we are making groups, one here and one here and one here. Okay, but there are some more here, one here and one here and one here. Okay, now there is no more happy faces left here. Okay, but how many happy faces are there in every group? In every basket, how many happy faces are there? There are 4, 4, 4. So when I share 12 happy faces equally between 3 groups, every group will have 4 happy faces. Every group will have 4 happy faces. So the answer is 4. So I can say the question in other words. How many 3s are there in 12? Again, 12 divided by 3 means how many 3s are there in 12? The answer is 4. So I can say there are 4 3s in 12. There are 4 3s in 12. Okay, but every time I don't have to make happy faces, and it will be a hard process. So I should make the number line. But how can I use the number line to find the answer of a division? Okay, what is the divisor here? It is what? 3. So I will make jumps of 3. I will start at 0 and I will make jumps of 3. So 0 plus 3 equals 3. Can I make 3 more? Yes, I can make another 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Can I make more 3s? Yes. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Can I make more 3s? Yeah, I still have. 9 plus 3 equals 12. So I landed on 12. So I should stop now because I landed on 12. Okay, now I want to see how many 3s are there. How can I find it out? By counting the jumps. So I counted 1, 2, 3, 4. So I make 4 jumps to land on 12. I made 4 jumps of 3 to land on 12. So the answer is 12. So it is easy to find the answer of a division using the number line by making jumps. Another example, and this is your term. There are 20 stars. I want to divide them equally into 5 groups. So 20 divided by 5 equals 3 or 4 or 5. Answer is number 2. Let's check answer. I will start where, Arwa?
From here.
From 0. Okay, and I will make jumps of what?
5.
Okay, so 0 plus 5 equals what?
5.
Okay, can I make more jumps?
Yes.
Plus 5 equals
10.
10. Can I make more jumps?
Yes.
Plus 5 equals
15.
15. Can I make more jumps?
Yes.
Plus 5 equals
20.
20. So I landed on
20.
20. So I should stop now because I landed on 20. So how many jumps did I make? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I made 4 jumps of 5 to land on 20. So the answer is 4. So 50 divided by 10 equals what? 5, 4, 6. And the question, in other words, how many tens are there in 50? I want to see how many tens are there in 50. Okay, so I will use the number line. I will start at 0 and I will make jumps of what? Jumps of 10. So every jump is 10 steps. So 0 plus 10 equals 10. Can I make more tens? Yes. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay. 20 plus 10 equals 30. Okay. Can I make more tens? Yes. Plus 10 equals 40. Plus 10 equals 50. So I landed on 50. So I should stop now because I landed on 50. Okay. And what is the answer of the question? Let's count how many jumps did I make to land on 50. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I counted 5 jumps of 10 to land on 50. So the answer is 5. Okay. So I should start where? We start at 0. And I will make jumps of what? I will make jumps of 3. So 0 plus 3 equals 3. Plus 3 equals 6. Plus 3 equals 9. Plus 3 equals 12. Plus 3 equals 15. Plus 3 equals 18. Plus 3 equals 21. Plus 3 equals 24. Plus 3 equals 27. And I should stop here because I landed on 27. Let's count how many steps, how many jumps of 3 did I make? I make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I made 9 jumps of 3 to land on 27. So 27 divided by 3 equals 9. Okay.